Myself Panduranga, and my place is this farm is in Malevinur, and the place is Komarnahalli, Karnataka state. I have 4.5 acres of natural farm, and this farm is aged like 25 years old. So I have started natural farming from 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the in the farm? What are the planted?
Basically, my father started this farm. The major crop is like areca nuts in the middle. In the border, we have coconuts. So when I was 23 of age, my father passed away, and there I have taken this farm as my responsibility. So up to 2018, it was going normal, and I was doing normal farming, like putting some manure of cow dung like this,
Okay.
and we do flowing and all. Okay. So when when I started natural farming, so I stopped flowing with the tractor.
Oh,
I used to flow with the tractor before.
Before it's arc.
Yeah.
Net.
Before natural farming, I used to flow this, and I stopped flowing and weeding also. I stopped weeding, and I did not put any fertilizer to this. Okay. And slowly I understanding the soil structure when I stopped flowing. It's becoming soft.
Oh, soft.
Yeah.
Oh.
And different types of weeds are growing. So I didn't even imagine that weeds are growing and they are good for soil health and all. So I gradually concentrate on that weeds and all. Like this weed can help to grow what we call the nitrogen fixer, like
Okay.
like this. So and after 1 year, I have seen so many changes in my farm. Okay. So I'm regularly asking Anda like what I have to put in the empty space.
Oh,
So I have lost some trees now.
I see.
So in that place, what I have to put, like which tree I have to grow. So many times I have asked him, but he never told me completely fill this like this.
Okay.
Okay. So one fine day he told me, what's your home requirement?
Oh, okay.
Okay. From your farm, what you will get to eat or what you will get to your family from your farm.
Okay.
So I said nothing except coconut.
Okay.
I have only areca nut. I don't have anything to take my home.
Okay.
So you have to list down the requirements of your home, like the food requirements.
Okay.
So I have wrote down, and once I met him, and this is my requirements for food, and I can grow this and this, like vegetables and the shade-loving fruits, trees, and vegetables and all. So okay, make a plan for that first. So you can grow this. So make the plan for that, perfect plan. So from that way, I have started growing vegetables first, and slowly I have introduced some bananas, like the different varieties of bananas. I have Ragonna gave to me to grow here. Like I have collected of 13 varieties banana species in my farm right now. So I have a sweet lime and orange and the turmeric. So we can grow the turmeric in shade,
Okay.
shade. So I'm growing everywhere. Like where is the space available? So this is the if you can imagine, this is the old plant, like old areca nut. If it's died now, so I can put some fruit tree here, fruit plant here.
Oh.
So again, areca nut I am not growing it
Oh.
because we cannot eat areca every time.
Yes.
So that is not a food crop. That is
Okay.
the commercial crop.
Yes,
So that's why I have planned for this. If the areca died, I will put the fruit trees over there.
Okay.
So I will show the same what I have said you.
Okay.
Like there are so many fruit trees,
Yes,
fruit
yes.
plants over there. I am growing. We can move and I will show you. See, I have, as I told you before,
Okay.
like the old tree dies,
Yes.
areca tree dies. There I have shifted some another fruit trees. Like this one is sapota,
Yes.
chiku you can call,
Okay.
and that one is sweet lime, Mozambique.
Mozambique. Oh. Bigger size.
No, small one, Mozambique, sweet lime.
Okay. Okay.
Bigger one means that's
Pomelimas.
Pomelimas. Yeah.
Wherever the
Areca dies.
died, they
There
will
I
put
have
it.
put some new fruit plants.
Okay, nice.
So this is the plan I have made,
Mm.
and they are the red bananas I have introduced.
Mm.
We have hundreds of bananas here. So nobody grows in our district, so I have planned for that one also.
Oh.
Yeah. So we don't put any fertilizer; they are growing naturally
Oh.
and good in taste.
Okay.
My family are all one are happy to
Oh.
eat different varieties of fruits.
Oh.
As before you have eaten some fruits now,
Yes.
so every day they will eat different fruits.
Okay.
So they are totally happy to come the farm and visit the farm. Every week, me and my family, every week will they come
Mm.
and get some vegetables and fruits and all.
Okay. You are selling anything outside?
When I have get surplus, like first I will feed my family.
Yes. First,
So,
you told you no.
First
First,
preferences is my family.
well, the family only started that place and all
Yeah.
fruit and vegetables all
Yeah.
empty places you started. After more growing means
If I have surplus, I sell it through Icantica. Yeah, only to the
Direct
customers.
customers.
Yeah, direct customers. Not through any.
visuals is okay. After audio will get it all.
You can as well as sweet pumpkin wine, sweet
Potato.
potato.
Oh.
This is sweet potato wine.
Mm.
So I use this as a mulching also.
Oh, mulching.
And, yeah, this one is used also. You can eat the potatoes whenever you want to.
Yes.
So I grow this for my food purpose,
Mm.
and I'll share this one as with the farmers also.
Okay.
So for cuttings,
Yes.
whenever the farmers need the cuttings, I will give it to them.
Mm.
And I use this as a mulching,
Mm.
and this is a good mulching. You can see the soil is completely mulched
Yes.
and completely changed here.
Yes.
Like the soil is completely black.
Okay. Yes. Mm.
So I have 5 to 6 varieties of sweet potato.
Oh, 5 to 6 variety.
They are available.
Yeah, available in my farm.
Okay.
Good, yeah. So and as well as this and the pumpkin also is there, sweet pumpkin. They are indigenous varieties.
Okay.
Yeah, 2-3 more different varieties I have.
Okay.
I will show that one also. Food purpose, in the shady farm, so sweet potato can grow easily. So this is the new variety and the indigenous variety. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So ridges are very small, and the pumpkin is also small. This is one indigenous variety, and this is a red sweet potato.
The skin is red or inside also red?
No, the skin is red.
Okay.
Inside is commonly white.
White.
So I have purple sweet potato also. It's somewhere else I have
Okay,
growing.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So completely farm I have extended this sweet potato and the pumpkins and this velvet beans.
Violet beans.
See how it's growing, and it's stopping the sun's
Yes.
the shade of the sun.
Mm.
It cannot enter the farm, and it remains the temperature cool down here in farm. So that is the main thing I am growing this and suggesting all the farmers to grow velvet beans. If you have areca nuts and coconuts and all, so you will grow this type of nitrogen fixers and the velvet beans. So then it will help to cool down your temperature of the farm. Okay. Yeah. And what we call the wild berries. That fish is
Sundakai.
sundakai.
Yeah.
Can I show you that? Come.
Okay.
ಇದು ಅದು ಅಂತದ
You plant soon.
ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು
See, that one is a wild torch ginger.
Oh.
Only for flower purpose and ornamental plant.
Oh.
You
Okay.
will get the beautiful flowers from there.
Okay.
So in natural form, you don't have only fruits and commercial crops.
Okay.
We have flowers also.
Oh.
So that's why I'm keeping the flowers plants and fruit plants. See, this is jackfruit plant.
Okay.
So there, the old plant dies here,
Okay.
areca plant, and I have shifted some different fruit plant here.
Okay.
So this is the sundakai.
Okay.
Yeah, this is coming on its own.
One.
Yeah, I have not planted this.
Okay.
Can you see? Months seasonal crop. Like if you plant in the June, it will grows up to 10 months and it will leave some beans. So if you harvest them and you can replant them. And if you continuously plant this for 3 years, so then you don't have to put any manure for your farms, and it will fix the nitrogen as well, and it will dominate the weeds, unwanted weeds. If you spread in a land, it will dominate unwanted weeds. If you grow through the trees, it stops sunlight and cools the temperature.
Okay.
That's the major part of this plant.
Oh.
Yeah, legume. It's a leguminous plant.
Okay. But velvet beans.
Yeah, the velvet.
So velvet beans that means work is done.
Yeah.
Variety.
I
Which
have two varieties of velvet beans, black and red.
Oh.
So I'm growing from last 4 years.
Oh.
Yeah. So I have collecting so many seeds from this and giving to the farmers as well. So I'm doing this type of work. Here, this row I am growing turmeric. So January I have removed turmeric and all, and now I left this place to enrich the soil again. So I have growing sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
See, the two varieties of sweet potato is there.
Yes, yeah, same place to.
Yeah. If we grow turmeric the first year in this place, you have to change the place of growing the turmeric because it will take so many nutrients in soil.
Okay.
So to enrich the soil,
Okay.
we have to plant again the different species here.
Okay.
If you don't grow here, the weed will grow.
Oh,
So that's why I have growing sweet potatoes.
Okay.
Yeah. My family is the first preference. So I started growing fruits, so many varieties of
Yes.
fruits.
Yes.
So this is the white apple, rose apple.
Water apple.
White water apple.
White water apple.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is Lakshman Pal. Sourpuss we can call it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. That is the main fruit for
Cancer.
treatment for, someone says treatment for cancer.
But okay.
But we use as normal fruit.
Yeah.
Everyone treats like a cancer fruit,
Yes,
but we use as a normal fruit.
normal
Yeah.
fruit.
Okay.
So, and for the diversity purpose,
Okay.
I'm growing different species in all the varieties like that. From here. You have seen a sweet pumpkin, the white one over there. So this is the different variety. See? And this is something else we can eat. The tuber. So this one is tapioca, and we call it in Kannada as maragenasu.
Okay.
So in January, December, January, February, we will harvest this and use it as food, and we can make this chips
Oh, chips
in
is
this.
nice.
Yeah. So many dishes are there.
Yes.
You can make this.
So payasam.
So all over in the farm, I have planted this.
Oh,
All over the farm, like in the borders, in the middle of the farm.
okay.
Wherever I get place, wherever I get sunlight, I
Okay.
will grow this one
Oh.
also. Yeah. Start. This one is the allspice plant. So you can taste 4 different spice in this. So you can smell this.
Yes.
What you can smell? Which varieties you can smell? There are 3
Tulasi,
to 4.
patta, that biryani, no?
Cinnamon. Cinnamon and cardamom.
Cardamom.
You can chew this. You will get to know.
Mm.
Right?
Yes.
Now. Seed also used as one of the spices.
Oh.
Yeah, we can use this in a food.
Okay.
There, insulin plant, and that one is peanut butter fruit.
Peanut butter fruit.
Yeah, can you see the color of this fruit? And it tastes like a peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, so it's a South American plant. Okay, and you have seen there some areca nuts and red bananas over there.
Okay.
So in this flat, I'm experimenting with so many fruit plants. It's just like a food forest. So there is avocado.
Yeah.
Yeah. and this row is only for walking,
Working.
and we can carry our farm
Harvesting.
producers harvesting.
Okay.
So that row is only for growing so many different varieties of fruit plants.
Food plant.
Yeah, there is cocoa. We can make chocolates
Cocoa.
over there,
Okay.
and there you can see some jackfruit, different species.
Yeah, different jackfruit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's another one.
Okay.
We have harvesting cocoa also,
Oh.
and making some cakes
Oh.
around it, and chocolates.
How is cake and
Cake is too good.
Oh.
I am experiencing the natural taste of cocoa.
oh,
Yeah.
good.
Before growing cocoa, I used to eat it in bakeries also.
Oh.
So from that to here, there is so many differences.
Oh.
Yeah. The original taste of cocoa you can enjoy here in our farm only.
No poison. You want try means try it.
In the empty space in this flower, I'm growing so many tubers. So this is one of the tuber, elephant fruit yam.
Yeah.
In Kannada, we call it as Suvarnagedde.
Swarna gete.
Ah.
Oh.
And there is another one. Come here.
Yeah. That
Yam.
yam.
This
Just
is the
Diascorea.
Diascorea species.
This grape.
It's a climber. It will climb how much it gets that space.
Oh.
It will
Climber
grow good.
tubers.
Yeah,
Okay.
climber tuber. It mixed with velvet beans.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the difference
Yeah.
between the leaves,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So it's grown last year, and I harvested it, and I put some tuber, seed tuber in this, so it's growing again.
Oh.
Yeah. So in the empty space, we can grow like these tubers, fruit plants, spices, and to the empty place in the areca nut, we grow pepper.
Oh, pepper.
Yeah.
Pepper.
Okay. Pepper. Okay.
So no space will be left empty.
Okay.
So every space will be occupied by somewhat we can eat. Okay. This banana variety is Amrut Pani. That tastes like honey. Yeah, that type of taste.
Okay.
Very tastier banana.
Okay.
And as I said, like there is so many different layers in my farm. So here you cannot get any sun rays here.
Oh. Yes.
See, it's very completely dark, filled with so many fruit trees and plants, banana, cocoa. So this is the diversity I have created in 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, I am growing something different here.
Oh. Mango.
What is it?
Pepper.
No, it's a cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Okay, it's a cinnamon plant. Whatever I get to plant, I have whatever I get planning for in my farm. So I do this like in that one and this row and that row.
Whatever you want to home, they are planting.
Yeah, first preferences is home.
Yes.
For that sake, I plant. If I get surplus, I can sell. Yeah.
Wait one.
This is another variety of sweet potato. The white skin and the white pulp.
Oh.
It's completely white.
Wait.
Completely
Full on
white.
Full on white.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
It's naturally ripened, and some birds are eaten when it get fruits.
Yes.
So as I get busy on heritage festivals,
Okay. Okay.
so then it got eaten by birds.
Okay. Okay.
So this is for my home purpose. So I'll use this. So in one day I can eat maximum 6 to 7 bananas, and my son also eats 6 bananas in one day.
Oh.
Yeah,
You
because he
also
loves-
eating 6.
Yeah.
Your son also eating 6.
Because he loves the bananas. When he get hungry, he'll eat bananas.
Oh.
Every time 2 pieces, like morning, after the lunch, after dinner, before when he get hungry, he'll eat the bananas. So that purpose I keep this in my home only.
Oh.
The sale is very less.
Oh.
Home consuming is very high now. Yeah, from my farm. So that's why I'm planning. So I have to plant different species of fruits
Okay.
because of my family only.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. So without growing all the fruits. The cherry plant, Barbados cherry.
Okay.
If you want to see it nearby, you can come.
Yeah,
I
we'll
will
come.
show. So this is the Barbados cherry fruit plant. So come near. There are so many cherries over there. They are tender one, younger one now. When they get ripened, they will get dark red. The taste is so beautiful and watery.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Mouth-watering fruits, the
Very
berries.
yummy also.
Yeah. And this is
Pepper.
yeah, pepper. So many peppers are growing in the different places.
Oh,
So not only a single row I can grow.
single row,
So
not.
only single row. The
Separate.
different places.
Okay.
In single grow, if you grow, they will get to that disease will come for them.
Ah, yes.
So that's why I'm growing different places.
Okay.
So and in this place I'm going with the weeds. They are healthy right now. So everybody grows the plants, and whatever they grow, they will clean the land and grow. So here you can see the weed and the food crops. It's a turmeric growing nearby in the weed.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and another eat the potato in.
No. You take it like this so that it can be visible.
I'm growing it. See, this is the Chinese potato.
Mm.
So I'm growing naturally here.
Mm.
So in the market you will get big sizes of potato. They are growing with lots of chemicals,
Yeah, lots of
harmful
chemical.
also. And I'm growing naturally in my shady farm.
Yes.
It can grow in shade also.
Okay.
Yeah.
You told me, that that's also not our in variety. It's a foreign variety, no?
Yeah,
That's
Yeah. And in this free space we can grow our food.
food.
And this is nutmeg,
Okay.
spice variety nutmeg.
Okay. What are you do is fish?
We use this in our spice. Combination of the spice will we can use this.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I seen your farm full. I full visited way 1 hour or 1.5 hours. You anything is not line, not like a full one thing. Separate somewhere, same place, somewhere separate. We put it. Why?
Because if we plant in a single row the one species,
Okay.
that's called as a conventional farming.
Okay.
So I am doing natural farm, and I have to educate myself which species will grow better in which shade. Okay. So the turmeric will grow better in the shade. That's why I grow there.
Okay.
In the sun shade, the fruit plants will grow better.
Oh.
The jackfruit,
Oh,
the Lakshman fal.
Okay.
So that's why I put them in a sunny area.
Okay.
Full sun they need. That's why we're growing there. So that is the reason. In the forest, you can see so many species growing together. Not only one species. So that is the main motto. I'm growing in the different stages, different places. So not through a single lane. The single lane will be the commercial and as I told you, like commercial crops will be grown that type. So that is the main thing.
Another I want to know. We are seeing not any space and all in the farm. It's like a full park.
Completely filled with food crops.
Yeah. It's like we seen only forest. Like we go inside the any space to only one line, small 1 feet line of
Yeah.
only there. Full forest. Like why you put like a forest?
This is the summer season right now.
But in summer season is like a forest. When rainy season, how we don't know.
When we finish the harvesting of areca nuts, November or December, I planted velvet beans because when the summer starts now, then we had to cover the plants, the areca plants and all, because to stop the sun shades and to maintain the temperature, and you need to give the smallest amount of water. No need to
More
give the
water
more
needed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we
Yes,
have to
controlling
control the
water.
water. Yeah. And weeds is a healthier, and the weeds helps to grow the plants main crops.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay. So naturally giving manure.
That's not called as manure. That
Developing the
helping to grow another plants.
Okay.
Symbiotic system we can call.
Thank you. And last question. Question not. What you say to your younger farmers? I think
Yeah.
you are raising 2-3 farmers. All I think somewhat, but you are so younger.
Yeah.
What the coming next younger farmers? What you idea? What you telling?
I want to give suggestions. only.
Message, whatever.
Okay, I want to give the suggestions. Please try to grow natural farming in the way of natural farming. That is the main thing. So if they know how to grow in natural,
Okay.
they will get to know everything. Yeah. First, grow for your family. That's it.
Thank you.